Here's our board. So there's Martha Nelson, he is our kaimata, who's 92. We have Peter Edwards, who is our current chair, Christina Perry, deputy, myself, the nephew, Andrea Lutony, who is chair of audit risk and finance, PJ Devonshire, who was a long-term employee of Kahurangi Wairarapa, and Jenny Siobhan Waihaka. This is our staff, so Tai Whiongimo, who was supposed to be here today to present, unfortunately couldn't be. Here's our general manager. Mariana Mutu is our office manager. Shikani Hime is Hona. Mato Ra is our environmental advisor. John Tangaroa currently holds Billy and Tree contract. Kawa Hime is our kaiapena to the Puna Kainga, and Sam Ludden currently holds the Mokomoko contract with the Department of Conservation. So currently we have a few contracts on the go. We have 2 from the Ministry of Education. We have a few from DOC itself, Greater Wellington Region, ESA Ministry. We are about to launch into the social service sector for Kahurangi Wairarapa. We are just waiting on accreditation. So within the next month we should have a social worker within our ward. Like everybody, COVID played a very massive role in 2020. Kahurangi Wairarapa delivered 16,583 kai parcels in 100 consecutive days. So we are going to finish with a slideshow that has no sound. For some odd reason. Alright, so this is right at the beginning. We were in the office packing kai parcels, and then we went to Uncle Paddy Mason. He led the response with Kahurangi Wairarapa. And that was the Easter egg delivery. We did vegetables, dry products, meats. And these are some of our champions. So Kahurangi Wairarapa is quite geographically spread. So we had champions from Pirinoa to the coastline all the way through to Tikahina. And everywhere on the top. And we had a team of packers who were around the block. The 100 days consecutively. So this is just a little bit, I guess, of what it looked like. It was sometimes it's even hard to comprehend the figure and the response itself. We had Nahiwi come visit during our alert levels. And true courage response. So this was the delivery of dry products. So we had Uncle Pat had his neighbours down the road bringing the forklift. Or the tractor? It was the tractor. So that was MVI, the port was sponsored by MVI. We had our babies packing fish. We did a trip to Manukino. So we sent Katoa, Kaurunu, Whānau and Manukino. And that was at the end. And Kaurunu held, thank you, I guess, to our COVID. There's a list of all of our sponsors through that period. And the next slide will be a list of everybody who participated in the response itself. So a lot of 2020 was concentrated around COVID-19, and 2021 has been resuming all of our contracts and moving into how we play a part in the vaccine or whatever.